My parents came from a different
Culturally,
country.
you were taught what?
I was taught, be successful, earn money. Like, this is why my parents came to America.
Uh-huh.
And they were.
And what culture is this?
My family's from Thailand.
Culturally, that's your family, because I can go find a YouTube channel where a man is talking about his Thai wife and everybody's in love.
People gon' say I'm crazy. Don't worry about me, I'm just blazing. My dance moves are excellent and with precision. Get down, baby, you can't stand in a dance competition. Glistening, flashing like a spotlight, shining like a diamond party all night. Tell me you love me, I wanna see the stars. Eyes wide shut, then meet me at the bar. Up on my spaceship. Bet you can't catch me. You lames ain't ready, cause I'm the greatest. Just sit back and watch me. Yeah. Right. Yeah. You ain't ready. You ain't ready. I'm coming through the room, turn the bass up. Y'all been sleeping on me, better wake up. Put your fly gear on, do your makeup, drop it real low and pick it back up. Excellent, bustin' with the best of them, simply impressive, no worry and stressing up. I'm getting mine right now. Put your shades on and let me show you how. Up on my spaceship, my spaceship, my spaceship. Bet you can't catch me. You lames ain't ready. You ain't ready. Cause I'm the greatest. Just sit back and watch me.
What up, Zoom Tribe? I just want to say what an honor it was to have the great Kevin Samuels mention me indirectly in that segment. Shout out to the Steel Curtain for sending me the clip. But then again, how did I know he was actually talking about Richie Mack, L, or Zoom to Thailand? Slow down, Travel OG. Let's hear what the comment section has to say. Either way, K-Sam, if you're watching, I would love to have you on Zoom to Thailand when you have an extra 5 or 10 minutes available, or even an hour. We have a lot to talk about. Sometimes I hear you quote from movies I was actually in. That means great minds think alike. And I would love to take what you and I are doing in these YouTube streets and take it to a whole nother level. Why am I saying this? Because I believe all of us are stronger together. Imagine if the best YouTubers came together and formed an alliance, ostracized the haters, and pulled up all the up-and-coming YouTubers that have the same real potential for greatness.